Hey guys, Castalog here. Today we're going to be doing a check on our bikes and scooters. So if you guys enjoy. So I'm doing my bike first. I got a full mongoose set with everything mongoose with. That's mine, done.
Yeah, mine is Hard Boulevard, and nothing too fancy about it. And over here have $10 stamps in it, better explain. And Lucky, I forgot what it's called, but it's 2016 model, Lucky. Now it's off me.
And now Dylan's turn.
I've got a 2016 complete with MV Prodigy wheels, 110 size. Then I've got root industry pegs. You know, you got root industry. And over here, I've got a big W BMW with cardboard on the back to make it bike sound, you know, to have fun. I don't even know which pegs I have. I got them off my sister bike. And then I have no brakes, so that's about it.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, I don't have any brakes on mine either, so fully stick, yeah. And that's my bike is cardboard on it. 4 strokes per day.
And now we're going to play a game of Scoot.
Yeah, game of Scoot.